Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you a new KSign method to install and sideload IPA files, including Delta Executor Roblox, emulator, and more on your iPhone or iPad without using a computer. With this method, you don't need a PC, you don't need a Mac, and you don't need jailbreak. Everything can be done directly from Safari on your iOS device. Before we start, make sure you only install IPA files that you trust. This tutorial is for educational purposes and for installing apps you own, test apps, or apps from trusted sources. So, let's get started. First, open Safari on your iPhone or iPad. Now go to applejr.net. This is where you can find the KSign installer. Once the website loads, tap KSign section. Before installing KSign, you must install the DNS profile first. This can help reduce certificate revoke problems and make the installation more stable. Then tap Install. After that, tap Allow. Now open Settings. You should see Profile downloaded at the top. Tap it, then tap Install. Once the DNS profile is installed, go back to Safari and return to applejr website. Here, you will see the KSign install options. Tap the Install button from the top list. When the pop-up appears, tap Install again. Now wait a few seconds while KSign is being installed on your home screen. If you see an untrusted enterprise developer message, that means the installation is successful, but you still need to trust the certificate manually. To fix this, open Settings, go to General, then VPN and Device Management. Find the enterprise developer profile used by KSign, tap it, and then tap Trust or Restart. Once trusted, now go back to your home screen and open KSign again. This time, the app should open normally. Now KSign is ready to use, and we can start sideloading IPA files directly from the iPhone. For this test, I'm going to sideload Delta Executor, just to make sure everything is working properly. Now open KSign, then tap the Import button. After that, choose the Delta Executor IPA file from your Files app. Once the IPA is imported, you should see the app appear inside KSign. Now tap on the app and hit Import to Library. Tab Library, tap on the app again, then choose Signature or Sign. After that, tap Sign and wait for the signing process to finish. This may take a few seconds or a few minutes, depending on the size of the IPA file. And now Delta Executor will start installing on your home screen. You can now open Delta Executor, and as you can see, the app is now installed successfully without using a computer. So this means KSign is working, the certificate is working, and now you can sideload IPA files directly on your iPhone or iPad. That's the new KSign method to install IPA files on iOS with no computer. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more iPhone and iPad tutorials, and comment below if you want more no-computer sideloading methods. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.